Hello, everyone. It's nice to see you here today. My name is Kaylee, in case you don't know, and I'm from the Healing Sound Arts program. And today I wanted to talk about how we as healers, as sensitives and empaths, can move through heavy emotion. We can move through heavy emotion quicker when we acknowledge that it's there and we don't push it away. So if we surrender to what is moving through us already, what we're already feeling as the strong emotion, it can be anything from ourselves or from the environment. We can be feeling anger or sorrow, or we can be feeling frustrated, or we can be feeling a lot of fear. And again, necessarily it doesn't mean it's coming from you. It could be coming from the collective, from your employer, from other people you work with, from people in your home, your family. It depends on the situation. So the more present that we can be in the moment with our feelings and our emotions, and we just accept them, surrender to them, and allow ourselves to feel them, the easier and quicker we can bring them through us and transmute them into a higher form. So I'm going to give you a technique today that will help you, and you don't need a crystal singing bowl. I just have one here to help you relax. But this technique is used, it's called vocal toning, and we're going to use the vocal toning to process and transmute the feeling so that we can guide it through us and have it be transmuted and create a higher form of it. So first of all, you just want to get comfortable and relaxed. This is a sound meditation. I'm going to lead you through it. So you want to breathe from deep in the belly, but be natural. And you may be feeling a strong emotion now. That may be how you found this video from a search, or you may not be feeling one right now, but you would like to have the technique. So for those of you who don't feel a strong emotion right now, just kind of choose one that you felt recently. You can kind of make one up just for practice if you'd like. Like you can tune into a little bit of sadness or anything else. So close your eyes, take a nice deep breath, and relax. And just breathe. Now feel into the feeling or strong emotion. And imagine that there's a screen out in front of you, like a movie screen. And if any visions of it come up, notice if there's a color, a shape, or any picture. And just move it out in front of you, out in front of your face, outside of your field, and just take a look at it and just be with it. Just observe. Just observe it from neutral and just feel it. Allow yourself to feel it. Allow it to run through you. And now what we're going to do is we're going to open our mouth, and if it were a sound or a song, we're just going to sound it. It can be a straight syllable, a vowel, or it can be a funny sounding thing. It doesn't really matter. Just open your mouth and allow it to come through your mouth without judging it. Sounding it. sounding it until it really feels heard, until you've expressed it. Don't want to do that for very long, just enough so it feels heard and acknowledged. So now, observe where it may be in your body. Just observe and just allow it to be. And now we're going to tune in to another sound that we can bring in, another ingredient, another tonal frequency that we can bring in and make with our voice that will transmute this heavy emotion or feeling. And it may sound a little different now. It's like adding sugar to your cookie dough mix. Allow it to shift and just follow that and make the different sounds that you're being guided to make. Visual and see it out in front of you. You might even see it turning into a different image, becoming lighter in color, becoming more fluid. Now feel what you are feeling now. And if you need to do this a little longer, you should practice this a little longer. But if you practice this each day, it should become more and more natural for you. So before you know it, you don't even have to formally sit and sound it. You can kind of do it internally. And this will help you move through heavy emotions and feelings. So I hope this video helped you. Please let me know in the comments what effect it has had on you and how the practicing is going. And if you'd like to learn more about sound healing, I have a program called the Healing Sound Arts System. It's a 90-day program where we meet weekly. We learn all about all the sound healing instruments, how to set up sound journeys, sound events, sound baths, sound meditations, how to work one-to-one with people. It's a combination of healing and knowledge and training. And you receive a certificate at the end of the program. It's a 90-day program. We meet once a week. So if that resonates, please let me know. Check out the link below. Please subscribe to my channel. And also, I've just created a Patreon account if you want to just do classes like once a month with me. It's a new account, so there's not many people there yet. But please check that link out as well and sign up for the third tier, the gold tier, and you'll get sound healing classes each month. So thank you for being here, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.